Okay, so this is again the ride to happiness in the back row, with no horizon lock. This is our favorite seat on this coaster.
It will not desert you on your ride to happiness. After this point, your lives will never be the same. Cherish the crucial moment of change and carry it in your heart. Let's unite.
Here we go.
The power of nature.
The ride to happiness. And the first launch.
And the best in the world.
Woo! So this is a Mac Ride's extreme spinner if you didn't know that. Oh wow! Oh, and now comes the drop! And the second launch. Wow! Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's just a fantastic coaster. Wow. And that, again, was the ride to happiness here at Plopsaland De Panne.
Oh.